welcome back to another lesson. Today I want to talk about the 10th interval and how it's a great tool for fingerstyle guitar playing, and how with it you can very quickly create a soundscape or an atmosphere by using these intervals. We're going to be in the key of G today. To start learning these shapes so you can begin improvising, we're going to learn it in 3 different ways. I'm going to show you the 6-string shapes, the 5-string shapes, and the 4-string shapes. What I mean by that is when I say 6-string, we're following the scale horizontally along the 6th string and learning the correct interval positions in context of the G major scale. I hope that makes sense. In my mind it does, but maybe that doesn't translate for you, but hopefully you understand. So let's go diatonically through the G major scale using 6-string shapes. That's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with our 5-string shapes, our G note is here on the A string. So 1 major, 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major. I'm going to come an octave lower now. 5 major, 6 minor, 7 minor, back to 1 major. Now 4-string shape, our G note on the D string is on the 5th fret, and this is what a 4-string shape major 10th interval looks like. 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 major, 6 minor, 7th minor, and then 1 or 8 major. Learn all that off by heart. Make it easier for yourself by breaking it down and learning 1 string set at a time. And once you've got the 3 string sets, start trying to mix it up and get really familiar with the shapes and moving up and down and swapping string sets while doing that. And then the sort of real fun can begin, because you can start to improvise using these shapes and using fingerstyle patterns and kind of mixing it all together and creating your own soundscape fingerstyle improvisation. I'll demonstrate now the pattern I'm going to use for my right hand. Thumb and middle, index, middle, index, middle. Thumb, middle, index, middle, index, middle. So there you have my rhythmic context and my finger picking pattern. And now I'm just going to start to improvise using 6-string shapes and see if I can sort of create an atmosphere with it. To my ears, that works really well. And there you have it. That's the lesson, that's the idea, that's the concept. I hope I could explain it in an understandable way. And thank you very much for being here and watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. See you guys at the next lesson. Happy practicing. See you next time.